Alright, today we're reviewing the SiFENE Centrifugal Juicer. There it is. Let's open her up. Looks pretty nice. Got a little recipe book here and the user manual. Okay, so these are the 4 different parts to the juicer. Got the main body here. It has suction on the bottom, which helps keep it stable on your counter when it's in action. Then you have the top here. Pop that on. You gotta lock it in with this metal bar. And then this is the catcher for all the stuff that is not juice. Goes on the back. Slide it in. And then this, put right up front. This is where the juice collects. Pretty simple setup. On the side here you have your different modes. P is for rapid and momentary rotation. 0 is for off. 1 is low speed gear. And 2 is for high speed gear. Now that it's all set up, we're ready to juice. This top part is where the fruit and vegetables will go in. Okay, so we're ready to juice. I'm going to fill the machine up with this fruit I have cut up. Some lemon, oranges. I'm going to throw some carrots in there. So you can see it is super powerful, it works very fast. It produces juice right away. It's a little bit loud, but it is powerful and does the job. So when you're all done juicing, this slides out. Has a nice little spout there. You can pour yourself the juice right into a glass. When it's ready to enjoy, this is a nice carrot juice. Pretty good. Pretty good juice there. This is a very powerful machine. It juices anything from carrots to celery, orange juice, apples, whatever you want. Toss it in there. Cheers.